Setting up a solar system has 6 different components: the solar panel mounting, wiring, a voltage meter, a solar charge controller, and the battery. A voltage meter is to check solar voltage and the state of your battery. A solar charge controller is to protect your batteries. When mounting, it is important to find a location with optimal sunlight. Mounting can be assembled on a flat surface such as a roof of a home, an RV, or any other desirable location. In this case, the mounting is done by placing the mounting frame on the pole and tighten the allocated screws. Make sure the screws are secure. Place panel carefully on mount. Align brackets under panel to the mount and tighten. Now you can place the second panel. And repeat the process. To install the wiring, move to the back of the solar panel. All electrical terminals are located in the black box. First, the cover must be removed. Pull wiring through allocated hole. Make sure to secure wiring. Loosen the positive terminal with a Phillips screwdriver and repeat with the negative terminal. Place positive wiring under loosened screw and tighten. Repeat process with the negative wiring.